I just kidding with my dog. Nothing scared of me. But they, I think they scare me. The tail not good. The tail up, the tail down, not up. I really like, I really like dog. But sometimes she don't like me. So I try to talk to her. They, she just came to me when she had a food, right food. So I will buy the good food for my dog. The food Thai nut for dog. It's a lot of people trong lại me. I'm not attacking her, so don't worry about it. So now I release her for freedom. She go out with me right now. Now I see you my foot. The foot had one leg. She had stand with one leg, not two leg. Can you see it? Now I forgot the cricket. Let's see the cricket here. Yeah, a little bit. Cricket here. So when the bird see cricket, she will flying to get. Do you think this bird, your country has this bird? Yes or no? Tell me know that. I will recording more about this bird for you. If you like it, comment below here. Let me know you like it. Let's try another one. In here I had a cricket and the bossy cricket she flying down and she really like it. She tried to catch them but not. This bird don't scared of me when they see me. They friendly to me. So I just want to show you about my but the pet, my pet. They eat the head of cricket. Now could you see that the cricket no head? It's really honor. So I put for them the order. They flying to here and catch it, feed it right now. My bird is really fat. Let's see the sideway. Really close with him. The boy. He don't scare me. He don't scare me when he see me. Do you like this bat? Do you like bat? Did bat head in the country? Yes or no? Let's tell me. I will recording about more bat for you. If you like this video, please comment below here and subscribe my channel. You stay here. I very happy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, see you in the next video.